Hello everyone, today we shall start exercise 4.1 question number 1. Use the figure to name A 5 points, B a line, C 4 rays, 5 line segments. First of all, we will define all these points. Points is defined as like this, like A is a point, here A is a point and it is invisibly thin, right? It denotes the location, right? Points denotes a location. What is a line? Line, what is a line? You see here, line means on both sides there will be arrow. And if we name them like AB, A, B, right? And the arrow means it goes on, right? It goes and never ends on both sides. That is a line. What is the meaning of 4? Rays. A ray means it has only one end point and the other end has a arrow like this. BC. B is the end point, fixed point, and C will be endless point. So it will go on like this. Right? Now, next one is line segment. What is line segment? Line segment is like this. Suppose this one. It has two endpoints. Has one endpoint and B is another endpoint, and it has a fixed length. It has a fixed length. Fixed length. Right? Line has no fixed length and BC has no fixed length. Why? Because at the C point it goes on endlessly. And in case of line, it goes on both sides endlessly on both sides. Therefore, it has no length. It has no length, but a line segment has a fixed length. Suppose AB, this has a fixed length because A is one point and B is another point. End point. A is one end point and B is another end point. Now use the figure to name 5 points. Here you see that we can name them. That is 5 points will be. That is D can be 1 point. Another point is E, but it is invisibly thin. Another point is O. Next point is B. And another point is C. These are 5 points. A line, I already told you, line means on both ends there will be arrows. Arrows means what? That it goes on endlessly, right? On both sides. That is the line. Then we can say DB is one line, right? Here you say DB, a line. You can say DB, and line can be represented like this, arrow on both sides. That is a line. 4 rays. What is ray? Ray has one fixed point, another it goes on endlessly. That is a ray. We can define here that is 4 rays. That OB is a ray, right? We can write here that OB is one ray. You have to represent like this OB. OC is another ray. OC is another ray. Right? We can also write ED is another ray, and also OD is another ray. You have to represent ray like this, one side arrow. And line segment, 5 line segment. I already told you the line segment has two endpoint. Suppose CD. It has two endpoint and the distance between C and D is fixed. It is a fixed length. 5 line segment, therefore you can say 5 line segment, that is DE. DE is one line segment and line segment is represented by line like this, right? DE, EO, another line segment, OC, another line segment OB, another line segment 4, and one 5 can be written as OD, OD, D, EO, OB, OC, and other we can say as DE, that is DO, DO, right? This is another line segment. Therefore, you see that there are 5 points are D, E, O, B, and C. A line is DB is a line that it has both ends. There are arrows, and a 4 rays, that is OB. One endpoint O is there. OB, OC, ED, and OD are 4 rays, and 5 line segments, that is DE, EO, OC, OB, and DO. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.